I'm Rohan Suvarna. I'm from Mangalore. I've completed my B.Sc in Computer Science in the year 2024. I've done my B.Sc in Dr. NSAM First Grade College, NITTE. After completion of my B.Sc, I wanted to develop my skills in Python. So I did research, and on searching I got to know about PySpiders. I got to know that the training here is the best there is. So I joined PySpiders in September 2024. And here I've learned for 7 months. I've learned lots of skills such as Python, SQL, Advanced Python, data analysis, Django. And the skills that help me here is the mock interviews that they take every week and the presentations. After that, the concept that we had learned in college was all theory based, but here I got to know a lot of practical knowledge, how to create my own programs, logical building, and that all helped me to get a good placement. And I would like to thank Niranjan Sir, Rajesh Sir, Gaurav Sir, and HR, who is very supportive and helped me throughout the process. So thank you very much.